Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. I'm going to do a quick tip for you today. I wanted to kind of share with you some of the things that we do as dealers when we do shows and things like that. So this is one of them. When you go to an RV show and you see all the parking lights lit up on the outside of the camper, I'm going to show you how we do it. So first of all, I start with this. I get myself a fuse holder. I usually get a 10 gauge fuse holder, which is the yellow wire. Make sure this is 10 gauge because the charge line on our trailer, which we're going to be using, is rated for 30 amps. Then I'll put a 15 amp fuse in it because the lights in your camper, the wires that feed those lights, those parking lights, are fused with 15 amps and they're a little bit smaller wire than the charge line. So we want to make sure we don't overfuse that wire. But I will put 2 terminal ends on both sides. And then we'll back up. And this is your B7 plug that's on your trailer. So we have a 12 o'clock spot, it'd be the higher spot that goes into the plug on your truck. And then we're gonna look at the 2 terminals at 11 and 1 o'clock. The larger one is gonna be our charge line and the smaller one is actually gonna be your marking lights. So as I put in my terminal connectors from a little device I made, I'm gonna make a circuit and we can show the lights lit up. So as I install the device, it will turn on the light. So there it is, on and off. So when you get to the campground, if you want to light up those parking lights on the outside of your trailer, get yourself a fuse holder, rated for 30 amps, put a 15 amp fuse in it, and use the 1 and 11 o'clock on your Bargman 7 plug. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV TV with Randy today. We look forward to seeing you on the road, and happy camping.